Welcome to Perfect Laser. Our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Bella. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. Our main machines including laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, etc. In total, more than 20 series and 300 types. All of our machines have got CE, ISO, RO certificate and certified by the International Inspection Institute such as TUV and STS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international advanced level. As the result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and areas in the world, such as Germany, USA, Turkey, Brazil, Japan, Russia, UAE, and many other countries. And we have enjoyed very good reputations from our customers all over the world. And we have a talent team that 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree. So we can provide to our quick response and 24 hours after sales service to customers worldwide. And our goal is very simple: to sell the high value products at the best prices and to provide the industry-leading customer service to you. Okay, today we will introduce you and show you how to make beautiful logos and signs by our laser marking machines, and how to choose a suitable laser marking machine based on your own requests. Okay. Today, in order to appreciate for watching, we have prepared the following benefits for you. First is about our price and the coupons. Okay, now could you please give me the phone, please? Okay, I will show you how to get the coupons and the price. Okay, first you can go to our live show page, right? And then this is the product list. Can you see? Okay, let me show you. This is the product list. You can see, click the product list there. Now you can see there are a few models there. The price now is 5% discount of the original price. You can see there is a 5% off. Okay, this is the first one. First benefit you can enjoy 5% discount of the original price. And the second one, you can get the extra coupons. You can click the models. Now you can see there are a few coupons there. Okay, there are a few coupons now. You can see. Okay, $50 coupons. And $100 coupons. That's really a very big discount. First is about the 5% discount of the original price, and the next one is about the extra coupons. So if you place order in today's live show or in this month, you can get this double discount. That's really very economical. Okay, what's more, Perfect Laser also prepared many exquisite gifts and extra other promotion policy in today's live show. I will introduce them later in detail for you. Okay, so please keep watching. Okay, and what's more, please, if you are in the live show, please follow us by subscribe our channel. You can click the follow button here. There's a follow button. Okay, please click the follow button. Okay, please subscribe our channel, then you can find us more easily for more live show. Okay, and please also give us a like. Yeah, there's a like and a right side button. Can you see there? There's a like button. Yeah, okay, please click, click, click. Yeah, click, click, click. That's very important for us. Okay, yeah, thanks very much for your support. Okay, now I will invite our sales engineer, Miss Lee, to introduce the laser marking machines specially for you. Miss Lee is very professional in laser field. Okay, now let's give the round of applause to welcome Miss Lee. Okay, welcome.
Hi everyone.
Yeah,
hello.
yes.
So it's very nice to see you guys again. It's me, Lee, and today I'll introduce you guys a 3 perfect fiber laser mark machine. And before doing the whole detailed introduction, I'll give you guys have a look at our samples.
Okay, samples?
Yes. So are you guys ready? Let's take a look at the samples.
Okay, here we go.
So first one, I'm going to show you the plastic. So for our fiber laser marking machine, it can work on metal or non-metal materials. For example, this one is the plastic one. I will show you guys closely. So you can have a look. There is number and letters on this plastic, and the words is very clear and very neat. Not only we can mark on plastic material and some non-plastic material as well. So that's the plastic one.
Okay.
And next one for this one is the animal's ear tag. So this is the TPU material, and as you can see, the words and the numbers on it is very, very clear. It's very obvious, yeah. You did a great job.
Yes, we can see very clear.
Yes, and the next one, we have our stainless steel.
Okay, this is stainless steel.
And I don't know if you guys can see, it has the little words, numbers on this stainless steel. So that's the third material so far that I've shown you guys. So next one, I'll show you our aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide. As you can see, we have this beautiful patterns on this aluminum sheet, and our logo on the bottom. And as you can see, it's very exquisite, yeah. It's very beautiful for the pattern.
And that's very beautiful.
Yes, and that's the aluminum one. And that one is as well aluminum sheet, but it's in different color.
It's black, right?
Black and white. It's all very beautiful. Yeah. Okay. And for this one, this one is the PVC material, and it's a switch, as you can see, and we have different patterns, numbers, words, and on it. It's very beautiful. The words on it is very clear and neat. And move on to the next. We have this one right here is the Olympic theme.
Yes, a little heavy.
Yes, a little heavy. And it's aluminum as well. As you can see, the pattern, the edge of it is very smooth. And the words, pattern. These materials are all done by our fiber laser marking machine. It's beautiful. Okay, for this one, we have 2 different colors. It's inside.
Can you see that?
It's beautiful, this one. And next one, I'll show you a different shape.
Okay, clear?
Yes. I'll show you a different shape of this one. This is aluminum alloy. It's a round shape, yeah. And as you can see, the words on the surface of this one. And as you can see the words is marked around this aluminum alloy. And also we have this little plastic one as well.
Oh,
We marked on different sizes that you can show to,
they're beautiful.
yeah, to customers. It also has words and numbers and everything on this side. So this material is plastic, by the way.
Okay.
And also we have two stainless steel pen right here. And let me show this side. And we also have already marked a different words on the pen. Our company name and numbers. Oh, the material is stainless steel. And as you can see, the words is it feels smooth. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this one? So the material is stainless steel.
Okay, stainless steel.
Okay, the next one is the plastic material.
Well, it's plastic.
Yes, and as you can see, we've marked along this side. It has numbers and words, and when I touch it, I felt very smooth on the surface of this one. Our fiber laser marking machine caused no damage to the material, to the original material.
Yes, that's right.
And the very last one is our water bottle right here.
Well,
It's a stainless
bottle.
steel, this one. Can you help me?
Okay.
So this is the, as you can see, our company name, Perfect Laser, 2020, 2030, 512. Numbers. And also we have this special pattern. It's very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see from because the light. So this one and the previous products that I've shown you guys is all marked by our 3 perfect 5 laser marking machine behind me.
Yes.
Yes. So that's the samples that I've shown you guys. That's all done by our perfect 3 fiber laser marking machine behind me. So before getting to know about these 3 perfect guys, I'll show you guys what's so special about our laser marking machine and what's the advantages you guys might wonder. So I'll make a list and I'll show you guys what's the advantages of the 3 machines. So first, as you can see, we have made a list of this one. Advantages, we have such few. So first one is low cost in use, no wearing parts, free of maintenance. It doesn't need any maintenance at all. So second one, high speed. Important laser scanning system makes the marking speed up to 7,000 millimeters per second. As you can see, high speed up to 7,000 millimeters per second. And 3, high precision. High precision, pre-possession precision is this number, this data, 0.002 millimeters. And for the energy saving, the efficiency of optic electronic converting is up to 70%. And for high reliability, MTB mean time between failures is larger than 100,000 hours, as you can see. And for the integrated and compact, the first one, 108, is very compact and it's very small. You can put in your office. It's very convenient and it's easy operating. So we have our VCD train, or we have our colleagues to answer your question if you don't, if you met some troubles with the machine. 10 years long life. So this fiber laser device adopts Germany IPG technologies. It can use up till 8 to 10 years, which is 100 air cooling. So we adopt air cooling. We have exhausting fan beside our laser marking machine on both sides of it. So this one can help the machine operate perfectly. And this is the few advantages of our 3 machine. You can take a look one by one. And then now, you can take that way. And now I'll give you guys more introduction of our very first machine, 180. So as you can see, we have the, you guys can come closer. So as you can see, we have the machine right here, and we have the screen. This is control box. We've already had the software and the PC mainframes inside the control box already. And this one right here is the lifting handle. So you can twist the thing around here like this, twist it, and it can digest the distance between the scanning head and the objects that you were marked. And as you can see, it has the 2 buttons here, the stop switch and on and off switch over here. And it has the exhausting fan on the right side of this machine. So for the laser source, it's from Max. It's very famous brand Max. And for the focus lens, it is 110 by 110 millimeters. And we also have the external data port behind this control box, so you can plug the wire or cable from behind. And now, when you buy this machine, you have to equip. You have to equip with the screen, so you can. But we have the PC mainframes inside the control box. So all you have to do is equip with the screen, so you can change the parameters or make sure the data is right. Okay. And now, as you can see, it's very small, it's very compact, and it's small, and you can just put in your office or shopping center or wherever. And now I'll give you guys a closer look about this one, and I will introduce our our professional engineer, Mr. Shao, to show you guys about how this machine works and how to operate it. And let's welcome Mr. Shao.
Hi.
And now he's gonna make the parameters, and can I show the material? So he's gonna mark on this material is TPU material. As you can see, it's empty one, right? And this one, so he will mark on this thing later. And as you can see, the machine is already on. And I don't know if you guys can see, it has the, so he's putting these objects right in the position where the red light shines. And he's now putting the objects in the right position to make sure you have to put the whatever you're marking inside the red light. And now he's using our latest version software to change some diameters, for example, the patterns, the position. And as you can see, the red part is where we're going to mark. And ready to go. You can hear the process, it's very low noises. You can, and the process is very fast. And it is done. It takes only like a few seconds. And I'll show you guys the result. This is the work that are done by our 108 fiber laser marking machine. As you can see, it's very clear, and it doesn't damage the objects itself. It's very neat. The work's very neat. This is just perfect. Excellent. So I'll put this one right here. This is the work that I've done by our 100A machine. Then move on to the next. So you guys might wonder, so this is done by our 100A, so what's the biggest feature about this one? So I'll show you guys what makes it so perfect. And especially for our 100A, this small size. So for the 100A, this is the features for this one. I got this. So as you can see, it's beautiful appearance. It's compact structure. It takes up small floor space. As you can see, it's very compact. This is the biggest advantages of this one. The laser peak power is high. Laser light pulse is thin. The laser peak power is high. It means it has very high efficiency. As you can see before, it only needs like a few seconds to mark things on the TPU material. And the light pulse is thin. It means it can focus very precisely. So that's what makes it can mark precisely. The repetition frequency range is wide. Low power consumption and high usability. It is easy to operate with high reliability and long lifespan. So you can use it like 100,000 hours. So it can last like 8 to 10 years. It will not cause shadows and virtual breaks when processing special materials. So as you can see before when I showed you this yellow TPU, it doesn't cause damage to the original material at all. The clamp can be rotated 360 degrees to facilitate multi-angle marking of objects that are not easy to move. So as I showed you guys before, you can use the little twist on the side and twist it. You can adjust the distance between the focus lens and the table. So that's the 100A introduction. So you can take that away. Thank you. And now we've still got two fiber laser marking machines behind me. So as you can see, the second one is a little bit larger than this one, just a little bit. And the differences between this one and 100A is because, as you can see, the working area is different. So as you can see, we have our 3D work table right here, and we also have the little twist handle here. So when you twist it, it can change the height between the focus lens and the 3D table. So when you twist it, when it gets high, the 3D work table comes up and down. And that's the differences. And we have our control box right here as well. And I don't know if you guys can see it, we have exhaustive fan beside the control box. And for this laser source is ray cuts, different from that one. And for this one, you need to equip with a computer. We will offer you guys a very latest version software for you guys. And this is our 400A, and I'll invite our engineer, Mr. Shao, to show you guys how this is gonna work on the materials as well. But before that, I'll show you these projects right here. So this one is the plastic switch. It's empty one. So this is where we're gonna mark on this one. It's right here. This is the empty one, plastic switch. And we're gonna mark on this part later on the bottom of it. And we also have the name card, aluminum name card. This is empty one. And we're also gonna mark on this part as well. Well, let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Shao, to show you guys how to operate this machine. Let's welcome him. So he's gonna first turn on this stop switch and turn on the key. Then open up the software. This is the 3 steps to operate this machine. And he's going to change some diameters, change some parameters on this software. And he's checking the marking material to make sure it's right. So this fiber laser marking machine is like the 108. This one has good quality output beam. As you can see, the red line is the output beam. It has high reliability. You can carve like both on metal materials like I showed you guys before, or this one, plastic one. Mainly marked in areas for like smoothness, fineness, demanding, such as electronic products, metal, ware, watches, jewelry, IC, plastic buttons. And now everything is done, data is done, parameter is done. He's gonna press it and we will see the results. Make sure the data is right, then press the green button, laser power, so the machine can start to work. Wow, it takes only like 1 second to be done, and it's done. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it has like the words on the bottom of this plastic switch. It has a little pattern and words. It's very beautiful and it doesn't damage the plastic switch itself at all. It's very beautiful. And as you guys can see, it only takes like a few seconds to be done. And this one. And after that, we have another material as well of this one, name card. And he's gonna work on this name card. This is an empty one. And so he's twisting this one and digest the distance. Digest height. As you can see, the 3D work table is coming up slowly. So make sure before you start to mark, make sure the distance and the parameters on the software is right. As you can see, the 3D table is coming up slowly and slowly. And put the objects right in the red light part. And he's going to change some diameters and the patterns. When everything's done, it's going to start to work. Only takes like a few seconds. And we're done. This is very, very good. Thank you. Now let's see the results. This one right here. Now I can feel the surface of this one is very smooth. And it doesn't, as you can see, it doesn't cause any damage to the original name card. And it's very beautiful, this one. And it takes like a few seconds, I guess, 3 seconds. It's very beautiful. As you can see, the pattern is very neat. And that's our 400B. And there you go. Thank you. So you guys have seen how the machine operates and how does it work. And now let me give you a whole, more introduction of the 400B. So our 400A just marked down a few materials, and then move on to the next. On my left side is our 400B. So for 400B, it's basically the same as 400A, but tiny little differences. So Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of fiber laser marking machine. As you guys have already know, the PEDB 400B fiber laser marking machine is our most hot selling model. So that one over there on the left is our most hot selling model. It can have perfect marking results on all kinds of metal material and some non-metal materials. Like I showed you guys before, as stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, brass, copper, hard plastic, etc. With up to 7,000 millimeters per second, fast marking speed, high working efficiency, stable performance. And next one, the machine has integrated compact structure with 100,000 hours long laser source lifespan. It can work for 8 to 10 years without any maintenance. So for the 3 fiber laser marker machine behind me, they all can work more than 100,000 hours and it can last 8 to 10 years. It's very easy installation, easy operation. For installation, for the first one, 100A, we've already had the PC mainframe inside the control box, and we will offer you our latest version software, and we also have VCD for you guys to learn from it if you have any problems. No consumables, free of maintenance, no after-sales worries. PED 400B is your best choice. So if you end up with any problems, you can reach out to our colleagues and we will solve your problems as soon as possible. And that's the introduction of 400B, and you can take that away. Thank you. And move on to the next. So for all the 3 machines behind me, what's the main features, the common features of this 3 fiber laser marking machine? So we have this maintenance. This machine can meet users' requirements of various elaborate patterns and tiny circuits. As you can see, we have already marked on these little objects. This regarded as veritable king laser maker. And for the hybrid of electronic optical conversion, no power coupling loss, saving operating costs, and the laser device has 100,000 hours lifetime, maintenance free and non-consumables. So it really reduces your costs. Once invest, you will not regret. For high speed, high efficiency, it significantly improves the marking qualities at the same time, accelerate users' return of the investment. As you can see, it has very high efficiency. It takes only like a few seconds to mark on some patterns or words or anything that you want to mark on the objects. So for the last one, it's integrated structure. So for all 3 machines behind me, it's all compact and it's all integrated structure. It's very small. It's desktop, easy delivery. And if you want, depends on what you need. The very first one, 108, it's very small, so you can put in your office or anywhere you want to put. And that's the main features of our 3 perfect fiber laser marking machine. Then I'll give you, some of you guys wonder, what if I want to mark on like the round shape materials? What can you choose? Well, we have optional machine for you. So if you want to do like, take for example, if you want to mark things on this one, like around this material, take this for example, if you want to mark around this material, you can choose our optional item. It's called Rotary System. As you can see, we have little claws right here, marking on round surface like this one. Stamp Rotary System is for objects with diameter 80 millimeters. Other bigger diameter object, we can customize the suitable rotary feature. So if you want to mark on the objects which diameter is larger than 18 millimeters, you can send us first one of the samples, and we can customize this rotary system for you. And as you can see, this plot right here, you can twist the button right here, twist it, and you can change the distance between the cloths. And for the packaging, you don't have to worry about packaging. We have like cushioning, and we can make sure to wrap up the machine for you very safe. And you can choose by ship or by air. Yeah, and this is our optional item. Depends on what kind of material you want to use. And thank you. So I'll give all our biggest features about the machine. Well, you guys been wondering when I can see the results of this one, the 400B. Well, I will show you guys. We will mark on this material with our machine 400B, and let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Shao, again to show you guys how this machine works. So he's gonna, as you can see, we have a lifting handle over there. And he's gonna mark on two different materials. So he's twisting the lifting handle to change the height of the scanning head, as you can see. So this lifting handle is 300 millimeters, this one. So he's repositioned the material to make sure it's in the right position. So I'll give you guys, like, this is our lifting handle. You can just twist it. So you can change the distance between the scanning head and the material that you're going to mark on. So he's changing some parameters on the software to make sure. And it starts to mark. And it's done. It takes like 1 second. I'll show you guys how this works. So this is the final results of this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has our company name, Perfect Laser, around it. So we only mark on this surface of this one. But if you want to do around the paw, you can choose our rotary feature, rotary system. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's very dark. Just 1 second. And this is how it's done. It takes only 1 second. Now we have next one. This is our empty materials. And it's like a mirror shape. So it's empty one, and he's gonna mark on this thing. So there you go. Let's start the work. You can hear there's basically no noises at all. But he's digesting, change the distance as well. So it depends on how big is your material is. We also have different, on the working table, we also have different holes and different components to help you to fix the objects that you're going to mark on. So for all these three materials, three fiber laser marking machine, we can work on some metal material or non-metal material and start to work. And the work is done. I'll show you guys. This is very beautiful flower, and you guys can see it. So this is how it's done. It takes only like a few seconds, and it's flower. It's very delicate, very beautiful. So basically, it can mark on a different materials, some metal or non-metal, or hard plastic, or some even jewelry. It can mark. Well, that's the three introduction of our fiber laser marking machine. I've shown you guys how each of them work and operate. Well, the standard working area is 110 by 110 millimeters. But if you have special needs, and you can send us your samples, and we can customize and do a test for you to find out, customize and find out which working area is suitable for you. So let's find out our fiber laser marker machine versus the ordinary fiber laser marker. So for the 400B, the middle one, the last one that I showed you guys before, 400B fiber laser marker, for take plastic, for example. Our machine, it has high contrast and color, neat edge, smooth surface, like I showed you like the last case. It's very smooth, and you can see on the edge it doesn't cause any damage. But for the ordinary fiber laser marker, it has very dark color and serrated edge. It has very rough surface compared with the ordinary one. And for the thin metal sheet comparison, we cause no deformation on the marking. So we cause no damage or no deformation, no harm at all to whatever the objects that you were going to mark on. But for ordinary fiber laser marker, it causes serious deformation on the marking. So it normally turns out bad. And for the heat effect on metal marking comparison, for heat, as you can see the picture comparison between these two, it almost causes no heat effective fine results. But for the ordinary one, large area of heat effective, the metal splashed on the edge. As you can see from the picture, on the edge of the picture, for the ordinary one, you can see a splashed like damage around the circle, around metal. But for our fiber laser marking machine, it doesn't cause any damage or no heat effective at all. And for the marking speed comparison, as you can see, we have least our light off time in the below, and we have short time of turn laser off with high marking efficiency. But for the ordinary one, and it takes longer time for turning laser off to lower marking efficiency, more than every line. So as you can see the picture as well. And as I showed you guys before, how to operate a 3 fiber laser marking machine, it only takes like a few seconds, a few steps. Turn on the machine and make sure the object is right, and then you press the laser, press the green button, and it's ready to go. And now that's the comparison. If you have any doubts, that's the comparison with the ordinary fiber laser marker, and you can take that away. Thank you. And that's the 3 introduction of the machine. Now, can you guys tell me which the difference? First one, so that's the comparison with the ordinary fiber marking machine. 400B and compared with the other. So take transparent box the material, for example, we have X available mostly have excellent effect, but for ordinary fiber laser marker, it's rough and poor contrast, the results. And for a keyboard and plastic mobile cell, mobile charger, anodized aluminum, our 400B laser machine, it has very smooth and high contrast. But for the ordinary one, it comes out rough and poor contrast. And for thick aluminum, we cause no deformation. As I show you our few samples, we cause no deformation. But for the ordinary one, you can see a very obvious and serious deformation. For vacuum plating marking, we have supreme efficiency, no damage to the parts. So the 3 machines behind me, each of them cause no damage to whatever the objects or whatever, which kind of materials that marked on, it causes no damage at all. You don't have to worry about that. But for ordinary one, it causes damage to the substrate. And for bitmap marking, our machine 400B is available for marking precise bitmap. But for the ordinary one, it doesn't have such function at all. So you can see obviously like the differences between our 400B and ordinary one. We take the results from the experiences and we practice a lot, so you can trust us on the results. And below, we have the laser performance comparison. One is MOPA and Raycus Max or IPG, as you guys know the brand. But for the IPG, it's not adjustable. For frequency range 1 to 1000, and the data is very obvious on this form, as you can see. Pose with them, turn on time, and the light off time, power stability for long time, diameter of laser beam. If you have specific requirements, and you can just like contact us, and we can also customize our machine for you. Depends on what kind of material it's working on. And that's the data compared with the ordinary fiber marking machine. So yeah. And move on to the next, we have so some of you guys wonder, what if I bought this machine? What about the after sales maintenance? Well, so how to maintain a machine depends, we differ from the day, week, year maintenance for maintenance time and the maintenance of method. For day maintenance, you can just clean the work table every day or clean the mirror just like doing a cleanup at home. Clean all the mirror by alcohol every day, or just ensure there's no dust on the focus lens glass surface, just like when you take a picture with a camera, you have to make sure there's no dust. And for the week maintenance, you can just follow the same operation step. If you found the outlet lens and the beam expander get dust or circulates. For the month maintenance, check and tighten all the wire every week. As I showed you guys before, for the 100A, we have our external data port beside this machine. So we have to make sure every wire and cable is plugged and is tightened so the machine can function well. For the year maintenance, check all the components in the machine. Make sure all these components are in good working condition. So take this for example. For example, the components, the focus lens, and the button to make sure it can operate well. But if you meet up with any problems, feel free to reach out to us, and we can reach out to you as soon as possible. And that's the maintenance about our 3 machines behind me, as you can see. So it's very obvious. Like 400B, you can digest it without lifting handle, but for 100A, you can digest it with change the focus lens, and it's different. That's the main difference, and that's the whole introduction of our 3 perfect fiber laser marking machine. Now let's welcome our host Bella again. I'm sure you guys have many questions, so let's welcome our host Bella.
Okay, hello again. thanks very much for your detailed introduction about the laser marking machines. Yeah, it's really a nice machine. Yeah, it can make so many beautiful logos and designs,
Patterns, words, anything that you want to mark.
yes, and it also work on so many different kind of metal materials. Yeah,
Yes.
such as the stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel,
Copper,
yeah, and
aluminum.
yes, aluminum, and the
Yes.
galvanized sheet. Wow, it's really amazing. It can do such a very fantastic job.
Absolutely.
Yes,
yeah.
I like it so much. And my dear friend, do you like it too?
I like it.
Yeah, I'm sure you like it. Okay, for our laser marking machines, we also have many different types. And just now you have mentioned, introduced the right, yeah, such as the portable type, the rotary type, yes, and the lifting type, right? And also the UV laser type, and also we have the 3D dynamic marking type. Yeah, and also we have the laser marking machines for the pens. Just now you also have
show
show
you guys
the-
before.
yeah. Yeah, the pens is with a very special conveyor belt. So, and also we have the 4 to 8 turnable table type to make the animal tag, the ear tags. Yeah,
The yellow one.
yes. And also the rotary type is for marking the
Round shape.
yeah, and the gold or the silver, and the jewelry, and also the rings and the silver, yeah. And also, what's more, Perfect Laser also have a very special design and customized ability. So we can provide you with full solutions for all kinds of laser marking requirements. So if you have any laser marking request, please don't hesitate to contact us, yeah, and send us your designs and your materials. We can make free samples for you.
And do some tests for you to find out which machine suits you.
Yes, that's right. Okay, now there were some questions from our customers. Okay, let's come to the questions. Would you please answer them for us?
Of course, bring it on.
Yeah, okay, there were some questions from our customers. Okay, the question number 1. What kind of material can be marked by the fiber laser marking machine?
Well, as I said before, you can mark all kinds of metal materials,
Yes.
including the stainless
Steel.
steel, yes, carbon steel, mild steel, aluminum galvanized zinc sheet, etc. And also, you can mark on some like hard plastic materials, like I showed you guys before.
Yes, yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
And so the next one, what is the marking precision?
Marking precision, it can reach to like 0.002 millimeters, very high precision, and it can mark very beautiful signs on your products.
Yeah,
And it
so
comes with very well.
yeah, very high precision, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the next one, how about the marking speed?
Well, the marking speed can reach up to 7,000 millimeters per second. It's very fast, so it only takes like few seconds to make a logo on your products. Just like I showed you guys before, it only takes like a few
Very
seconds.
fast.
Yes. But if you need to work with production line, we can also offer you a online laser marking machine for you to choose. It can automatically mark on the products.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one, number 4. What colors can it mark out?
Well, the laser marking machine can mark out black and white color on your products. The laser itself actually has no color,
Okay.
and the laser marking process is just to remove the surface color of the product. If your product is electron-plated, the laser will remove the color and reveal the color inside.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah, so basically it doesn't like create color, it just remove the surface of the materials.
Yes, we understand that. Okay, so the next one, can it mark out colorful colors?
Well, actually, yes. For stainless steel, it can mark out color for color by choosing our 400C model, which is not shown on the live show, but reach out to us and we will show you the details.
Yeah, so remember, PEDB 400C is
400C
for
for
colorful colors. Okay.
Yes.
So the question number 7, what is the working area of the laser marking machine?
Well, the laser is non-contact marking. It won't damage the surface of the products like I show you. The marking, in fact, is delicate. It is not only make permanent sign on your products, but also can improve the appearance grade of your product.
Oh,
That's awesome.
yeah, awesome. And so the next one, what's the laser source brand? What's the next one? What's the laser source brand? Yeah, it's now the standard marking area. Maybe
Yeah, I
we
mentioned
have before.
Yeah,
okay.
so you guys might wonder, the standard marking arrow, so the marker standard one is 110 by 110, but we can also provide 175 by 175 millimeters, 200 by 200 millimeters, or even 300 by 300 millimeters. So you can just ask us, and we can customize that for you.
Okay, very good. So the next one, what's the laser source brand?
Well, we have many laser source brand for you to choose. For example, like I mentioned before, Max,
Yeah.
Raycus, IPG, all of them are the top brand in the world. They're all very famous and
Yes.
has very high quality. The laser power is from 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, or even 100 watts.
Okay, that's great. And so the next one, what is the software of the laser marking machine?
Well, for the software is EZCAD. It is a professional marking software where with friendly interface and can support many files with different formats. So you don't have to worry about the format at all.
Yes, that's very great, right?
Yeah, and it's
And-
very easy to change the parameters and everything.
Yes.
Very easy.
So the next one, what is the difference of marking material between the fiber laser marking machine and the UV laser marking machine?
Well, for the fiber laser marking machine, it's mainly suitable for marking all kinds of metals. All kinds of metals. But the UV laser marking machine not only can mark on metals, but also can mark on non-metal materials such as plastic, wood, glass, etc.
Okay, so the laser marking machine is mainly for metals.
Metal.
Yeah, and the UV laser marking machine is
Non-metal.
yeah, and metal.
Yes, and hard plastic as well.
Okay, so we understand that.
Yes.
Okay, so the next one, what is the difference between inkjet printer and a laser marking machine?
Well, the inkjet printer, the content printed can be modified and the sign can be removed by cleaning liquid. While the sign made by laser marking machine is permanently, it cannot be moved. And for consumables, for inkjet printers, you need many consumables. You have to change the ink and solvent liquor every week, and it costs a lot. Well, laser marking machine has no consumables at all. And for maintenance, the ink of inkjet printer is easy to dry if you don't use it for a long time or don't wash the ink pad completely. And the ink pad is very easy to block. While the laser marking machine, the laser is from the laser source. It's totally free of maintenance. And the marking is very beautiful, as you can see the results I showed you guys before.
So customers can choose the model as per their own requests.
Yes.
Okay, so the next one, what is the power consumption?
Well, the power consumption of fiber laser marking machine is only 0.5 kilowatts per hour. It is energy saving.
Oh yes, very good. Energy saving, that's very perfect.
Yeah, you cut down your costs as well.
So the next one, what is the consumable of fiber laser marking machine?
Well, as I said before, the fiber laser marking machine has no consumables at all, and it is free of maintenance. It can be used at least 8 to 10 years without any maintenance. So once invested, whole life benefits, that's for sure.
Yeah, you deserve to have it. Okay, next one, are you a factory or a treat company?
Well, my dear friend, Perfect Laser is a factory with 20 years production experiences in laser field. And we also have customized abilities according to your special requirement for laser marking. So you can just reach out to us and we can find a suitable laser marking machine for you.
Yes, well, very professional and experienced factory.
Yes, absolutely.
So the next one, where is your factory located and how can I visit there?
Well, our factory is located in Hubei province, which is in China. So please welcome to visit us at your convenience.
Yes, welcome. Okay, 16. What is the lead time?
Well, normally the lead time is from 7 to 10 working days. So please feel free to contact with our sales manager right now to start your purchasing plan so you can get the machine as soon as possible.
Yes, very normally very short time.
Yeah.
Okay, then 17. How about the warranty?
Well, for the warranty time, if you are a fan of our company, our warranty time is normally 12 months, which is a year. But during this live show, we can prolong it into 24 months warranty time for the whole machine. And it's a really good chance to buy one during this month.
Wow, that's very good. 2 years,
Very
good deal.
Yes.
So the next one, what is the trip term?
Well, for the trip term, we have FOB, CIF, or CFR, EXW are favorable.
Yes. Okay. So the next one, what is the way of payment?
For the payment, we accept the wire transfer, credit card, Western Union, PayPal, Alibaba Trade Assurance.
Yes, many ways. Okay, the next one, what about the after-sale service?
Well, for the after-sale service, we are responsible for offering the free spare parts during warranty time. After warranty time, the spare parts in need will be charged by customers.
Yes. Okay, so the next one, do you have any certificates?
Well, of course, we have on machine, we have passed CE certificate, so you can rest assured to order from us.
Yeah, later we can show you our certificates.
Yes.
Okay, so the next one, do you arrange shipment for the machines?
Well, of course, we arrange shipment based on FOB, CIF, turns by sea or by air.
Yeah.
We have a very special and professional team for shipping.
Yes.
For EXW price, shipment shall be arranged by your shipping agent.
Yes, very convenient. Don't worry about that.
Mhm.
Yeah, and the last one, what about the packing?
Well, all the packing are compliant with the international exporting standards, so please don't worry, we will deliver the machine to your factory safely.
Okay, very good. Okay, thanks for your answers.
My pleasure.
Yes, okay. Everybody, after the detailed introduction about the laser marking machines, are you interested to have one unit for your business right now?
I'm interested.
Yes, okay. Now, as we can see, just mentioned, we will show you our certificate, right? So now let's come to the certificate. Okay, take it for us. Okay, so our laser marking machines, as you can see, we have the CE certificate. You can see this is the CE certificate. Okay, this is our CE certificate, and also we have the ROLL certificate. I also can show you. Okay, this is ROLL certificate. So it means that our products can comply with the European standard. So it's very, very safe to buy from us.
Yes, we are professional. Don't worry about that.
Yes, and also this is our golden supplier certificate. It's verified by the SGS company. Okay, this is verified by the SGS company. Yeah, as we all know, SGS is a very professional and a very known international inspection institute. So through SGS verified, you really have no worry to buy from us.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So today, in order to promote our machines, we have prepared many benefits, yeah, such as the coupons and the discount. Now I will show you. Okay. First, we can see our live show page, right? And just go to the bottom. You see the product list here. And also you see the price here is already 5% discount. Can you see the 5% off, right? Okay. Can you see that? 5% discount. Yes, very good. Now the price now here is also have the 5% discount. Yeah, it's really a big discount. And also you can click the model. Then you can see there are a few coupons. Yeah, a few coupons there. Wow, so many coupons there. Okay, can you see? Okay, so we have the not only you can enjoy the 5% discount of the machine now, and also you can get the extra coupons. That's really very good. Yeah,
very good deal.
Very big discount. And what's more, Perfect Laser also thanks for watching, and we have prepared the second surprise for you. Okay, second is about our warranty time. Okay, warranty, yeah, this one. Oh, normally our warranty time is 12 months warranty time. But if you place order in our live show or during this month, you can get 24 months warranty time. Yeah, 24 months warranty time.
That's a very good deal. And
yeah,
2 years.
Yeah, absolutely 2 years. It's really a long time. Yeah, okay. So it's more. Lastly, we also have prepared a special gift for you. Yeah, this special gift. We have a tableware. What we have prepared. 100 sets beautiful tableware as gift for you. Okay, let me show you one. Yeah, this tableware are blue and white porcelain. Can you see that?
If you're a fan of Chinese culture, it will be a great collection for you.
Yes, it's very beautiful and with a special flower pattern. This is very traditional Chinese characteristics. Yeah, I like it so much.
I love it too.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Yes, we will send those to whom participated in today's live show and also place order during this month. Okay, so many good promotions and very special gifts. If you want to take it home, okay, no problem. To enjoy all of those promotions and very special gifts, please take out your mobile phone and then make a screenshot of our live show page. Yeah, and then later you can send that to us to show you have attended our live show. Okay, you can get the coupons and also the big discount. So I will give you 10 seconds to make the screenshot. Okay, now let's count down together, okay?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, just the. Okay. Okay, now remember, this is our promotion policy. First is about the 500 discount, and the second is the special coupons, and also the warranty time, and also the special gift. Yeah, to enjoy all of these good promotions. That's really very good. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you have already get a screenshot. Yeah, get a screenshot.
So you can contact our sales manager or
our
colleagues to get the coupons as soon as possible.
Yes. So I hope you have already get that and you can enjoy all of good promotions and also the special gifts, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, how time flies.
Yeah.
Okay, our live show is drawing to the end. Okay, thanks very much for your watching and your time with us. Yeah, and if you like our machines, please feel free to call us or chat online or send us inquiries right now. We are waiting for you.
And please subscribe us. Button on the screen, subscribe us. Please.
Yes, of course. And also, if you want to know more information, please go to our website to see more models, more machines, and even more videos, right?
Yes.
Okay, just now you mentioned, please remember to subscribe our channel so you can find us very easily and you will not miss our live show next time.
Yes.
I'm sure you will get what you want here. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye now. Thanks again for your time and your watching. Perfect Laser is willing to be your best partner from now and forever. Thank you. Time to say goodbye. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye now.
Bye.